Hello everyone, and welcome to Olares channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run a Windows virtual machine on your Olares device and access it from your Mac or PC. Before we begin, this tutorial assumes you have the LayerPass desktop client installed and your Olares ID imported. If you haven't done this yet, please follow the guide in the description below and then come right back. Let's dive in. The first thing we'll do is open the Olares Market. Popular apps like Windows are often featured right on the main page. We can also click search, then type Windows to find it. There it is. First, click Get, and then click Install. You'll be asked to set Windows login credentials. For this tutorial, I'll use Olares for both the username and password. Once the installation is finished, click Open to launch it for the first time. Olares will automatically begin downloading and installing the Windows 11 image. The download is about 5.5 gigabytes, so this might take a few minutes. And just like that, the installation is complete. Your Windows machine is ready. This view you see in your browser is a VNC connection. It's great for the initial setup or as a fallback access method, but as you can see, it can be a little slow. For the best performance, we're going to connect using RDP or Remote Desktop Protocol. It's faster, smoother, and much more feature-rich. To do that, we first need to enable our secure private network. Open the LayerPass client on your computer, click your avatar and toggle on the VPN connection. When it shows DERP, P2P, or intranet, your secure network is active and ready for remote connections. If you're on a Windows PC, the remote desktop client is already built in. For Mac OS users, you'll need to download the Windows app from the App Store. You can find the link on the Windows app page back in the Olares Market. For this example, we'll be using a Mac. Install the Windows app from the App Store. Now, before we can connect, we need to get the virtual machine's address. Go back to the Browser tab where the Windows VM is running. The address is the main part of the URL that includes your Olares ID. Make sure to exclude the protocol, the slashes, or anything that comes after them. Alright, let's open the Windows app we just installed. Click the plus sign in the top right corner and select Add PC. In the computer field, enter the address you just found and followed by a colon and then the port number 46879. Click Add. Click on your saved PC, then enter username and password. Click Continue. Now you might see a security warning pop up. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Just select Continue to proceed. And there it is. You're now connected to your Windows VM using RDP. What's really great about this is how seamlessly it integrates with your workflow. Watch this. I can simply copy a file from my Mac and paste it directly into the VM window. The file will appear and you can start working with it immediately. When you're finished, just close the RDP window to end the session. The Windows VM keeps running on your Olares device, ready for you to connect again at any time. That's it for this tutorial. You've successfully turned your Olares device into a personal Windows server, accessible from anywhere. Thanks for watching.